we're doing a sponsored bike ride from London to Amsterdam, and it's all in aid of the Cello Foundation, which sponsors children who've been orphaned by HIV or AIDS through their education in Africa.
We've raised over £100,000 today.
Am I scared? Terrified. Have you seen the weather?
It's nice and wet, so it's proper Scottish weather.
Well, I've been practicing a couple of times in the rain, so it should be no surprise.
Cold hands, numb nuts. That's where you're gonna go.
Bye, Annie. I'll see you later.
Put some proper gears on, man.
Puncture.
You've got to keep your mouth closed because otherwise there's a lot of bugs.
We're living the dream. Piece of cake. You're finding a little rhythm and going with it.
The countryside is absolutely beautiful, isn't it?
Well, it's not about the Tour de France, it's about Cirque du Soleil today.
The countryside is brilliant.
Very good. Very happy with that. I didn't do enough training, so I ended up doing a little extra, which is good. Just get it on the job.
What was the best part?
Finishing.
My injury.
Me and Rhiannon both have an accident.
I fell off.
Rhiannon slipped, there was some smooth tarmac.
Dean pushed me.
Maybe sit down, cup of tea, have a bit of a rest. Tomorrow's another day.
We're really excited about the sun. Yeah, the ox is slow, but the earth is patient.
Really excited about day 2, sun shining, we're in Holland. Yay!
We're very happy to be back on the continent.
That was perfect. Flat, sunny. It's like a different day.
It's very nice. We're enjoying the sun. Beautiful.
Thanks a million to everybody who donated. We're working hard on the cycle, a lot of money on our backs, so it really does motivate us.
We got one more day, we got another 100 kilometers in front of us, so it'd be great if anybody who hasn't donated yet, that they pitch in now.
Day 2, big success, everybody here safe and sound, in good form, so that's it for day 2 and looking forward to day 3.
Let's go!
Just finishing today, getting through the 100 kilometres and then relaxing, I think. Got a taped knee, I'm cold and it's raining, but we'll do it.
There's a few aches and pains, but nothing too dramatic.
To the young lady in Africa last year when I was over there in Malawi, when you look at what her life's like, and she was like a shining light. And when I look at people like her and how she copes, she's nothing. So I'm going to make it. I'm going to keep going and I'm going to make it.
I am doing it on behalf of the Cello Foundation, which is set up by my deceased brother Shane. It was a commitment I made to him just before he died, so I'm delighted to be here with myself and my brother for the charity.
We're going through some pain here, so we need a bit more support.
fundraising?
For the first time in my life, it was a blast.
It was good. It was hard.
Was it?
Too much wind, yeah. But it was fun.
My bum might take a while to recover, but the rest of it was fine. Hopefully we've raised a huge amount of money, so I look forward to next year.
I still feel that the experience is still to come once it settles in later tonight.
Having seen the check, it was more than worthwhile. I can't do the maths, but that's hundreds of children that are now educated. It's been fantastic.
I'd just like to say thank you so much. It's a really worthwhile cause, and it's going to go to the children who deserve it most. You've done a great job, and well, what can I say? Thank you. Now I'm going to eat my chocolate.